Hey, parachute string here. We got another train coming. That's twice in 5 minutes. I could hear him honking about 2 miles down there. And we got another one coming. You can see his glow right there. Hope y'all subscribe and like this video. I got 2 trains within 5 minutes. Yeah. They might be running just a little bit tonight. Hey, parachute string. Hope y'all still like my videos. Excuse me. He's still coming, so he's trying to get up the hill like the other one did. So, let's get to the video. Yeah, I said at the end of my first video just a while ago, I'd see y'all the next time I come down in Atlanta, Texas, and all of a sudden I can hear a train horn. Was that a train horn I just heard? And I kept listening, and sure enough, about two miles or 5 miles, I think it was 2 miles, I could hear another one. I had to hurry and upload my video on YouTube. And I had to hurry and get this video started before he came. He's coming. He may take him a minute. Maybe let that other train get far away before he comes. But I ain't no rush. Sorry about that. There we go. Well, here he comes. He's coming up the hill. But he's probably going to go slow because he got a train in front of him. See what kind of train this is. Yeah. I think he's coming slow, I think. Maybe. Yeah, he's coming slow, all right. Hope y'all subscribe and like this video. Hey, I know that train. That's a coal train. I know that train. seen him come by here a few times. I got my dad waiting on me, so I'm gonna stay and videotape this before he's done, while he's done. He's gonna go to Texas County Yard. I think he's gonna swap crews, then go on the KCS line and park. Then maybe tomorrow he's probably gonna go through Ashdown, go to another coal mine. Yeah, he's empty coal too. Empty cars. Here comes the DPUs. There he is. BNSF. And CP line. Look at there. CP line. Well, I hope y'all subscribe and like this video. See you the next time I'm in Atlanta, Texas. Bye.